Between the virtual environment and the physical environment, we're working to ensure that the building can be built. DCT are virtual design and construction consultants. Our core services will be BIM modelling and BIM management, or digital construction management. We have a number of large hyperscale projects that we're on across Europe at the moment. Building information modelling, it's basically graphical of how it looks, shape, dimension. So you have your graphical, which is what you're visually looking at. You have your information, which is if you click on an object, it's different attributes about that object. And then generally we'll have a link that goes to documentation. The way that we build buildings now has totally changed. Generally, if we're working within the virtual environment, we can reduce waste, we can reduce rework, we can run through different scenarios, we can do different optioneering on a project. We're in the head office of DCT in Blanchardstown. This is our own building, this is our new headquarters. Prior to moving in, we created the BIM model and we laser scanned the building. We wanted to take the headquarters as a living lab and show the workflow from A to B. So we brought the guys in from BPC and they would do our energy optioneering and how we can look at different materials, heating, cooling and so on. And then we brought in RDS, our partners, to look at, okay, when we create our BIM model and how we're transition to digital twin and then how we're going to optimize the usage of the building. We did find problems trying to share information, making sure it's the right format, files getting corrupted. But once we got to a good place, everything was okay. In the building, we've done incremental energy upgrades. We've upgraded the lighting, we've upgraded the insulation on the roof and so on. We've made changes. What we always try to achieve is the optimization between the physical and the virtual. And we can do so much in the virtual, but it's based on accurate data and information. The virtual gives us that opportunity to optioneer, to change material, to move a building because of the solar gain and so on. There's so much that we can do with the glazing and everything. And fundamentally, as part of the government's plan, is to have all of that in a database. If you work towards the 2030 plan and having all the information about your buildings, it gives you so much more options. And that's what we hope to achieve at DCT.